Is SEO still worth it in 2024? Many ask this question. But the answer is clear: absolutely. Search engines like Google help people find answers, products, and services. SEO is your bridge to reach them. In 2024, SEO isn't just about keywords, it's about staying ahead of trends like AI voice search and mobile first indexing. Optimize for voice search. People now say, "Where's the best pizza near me?" instead of typing it. Use conversational phrases to rank higher. Use AI tools to optimize your content. AI can analyze trends, improve readability, and even suggest keywords. These advanced SEO techniques can bring more traffic, better leads, and higher sales. Are you want to boost your website's rankings? 𝗦𝗲 can help. Let's grow your business together. Contact us today and let's get started.